Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to unsend mail on Gmail. First of all, you can open the Gmail application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on Compose at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply write the email that you want to send. The email, you can enter the subject, or you can now tap on compose email, and after this you can just simply tap on the send option at the top right corner of the screen. And after this, if the email was just sent, you can unsend by tapping on undo at the bottom left corner of the screen. And if the email was sent a while ago, you cannot unsend mail on Gmail because that Gmail doesn't provide any feature to unsend mail a very while ago, and it is a way you can unsend mail on Gmail. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.